The 2026 Toyota Corolla greets you with a refreshed, modern look that still feels unmistakably Corolla, starting with a slightly refined black mesh grille that gives a bolder stance, flanked by slim, sharp LED headlamps flowing seamlessly into sculpted hood lines. The lower bumper is cleaner, with subtle aerodynamic detailing that hints at Toyota's commitment to efficiency without losing its touch of style. As you move around to the rear, the design flows into elongated LED tail lamps that stretch toward the center for a wider, more planted appearance, while the trunk lid's crisp edge and the neatly integrated bumper, with hints of sporty diffuser styling on SE and XSE trims, add sophistication. Depending on the trim, chrome or gloss black accents enhance the upscale feel. Stepping inside, you're met with a cabin that's simple yet sophisticated, with a standard 8-inch touchscreen supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, while LE and SE trims feature a 7-inch digital driver display, and the XSE elevates things with a fully customizable 12.3-inch digital cluster. Seating remains supportive and comfortable, with high-quality fabrics on base trims and soft-touch leatherette on upper trims, while the intuitive cabin layout ensures everything is within easy reach. Safety takes a leap forward with Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 now standard across the lineup, including lane tracing assist, pre-collision detection with pedestrian and cyclist recognition, dynamic radar cruise control, and road sign assist, plus blind spot monitoring and rear cross-traffic alert as standard features. Under the hood, the trusted 2.0-liter dynamic force 4-cylinder engine produces 169 horsepower and 151 pound-feet of torque, paired with a smooth CVT for everyday comfort, while the hybrid variant offers up to 50 miles per gallon combined and even available all-wheel drive for extra confidence in all weather conditions. On the road, the ride remains composed, the steering responsive, and the efficiency unmatched in its class, proving why Corolla has been a leader for decades. The 2026 model doesn't try to reinvent itself, it evolves smarter, safer, and more refined than ever, carrying forward everything drivers already love while adding just enough modern edge to stay ahead.